Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how to make a very special bread. These are all the ingredients we'll be using to make this bread. Please check the description box below for more details. In a clean bowl, pour in some milk, add in some dry yeast, stir together to well combined, and now add in some eggs, mix thoroughly until well combined. Now you're going to add in some melted butter and mix. After that, add in some sugar and mix again. Finally, you are going to pour in the flour and mix with a spatula. Do not knead. Use the spatula to flatten the dough in the bowl and then cover and allow to rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, your dough should have doubled in size like so. Use your hands to release some air. Now take out the dough from the bowl onto the work surface. Use your hands to elongate the dough on both sides. After that, cut the dough into 8 parts. Mold each part into a ball shape. Cover to rest for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it's going to double in size like this. Now you are going to get some butter and cut it into cube form and place it right inside the dough like this. Now bake for 20 to 25 minutes. And guys, look at what we have. Our delicious special bread is ready. Brush it up with some melted butter and enjoy while hot with some hot coffee or tea. Check it out, guys. This bread is so yummy, soft and delicious. What do you think about it? Let's know in the comment section. I want you to try it and let's know your thoughts about it. If you like what you are saying, please give this video a thumbs up. Also comment and share with friends and family. Thank you for tuning in today. Thank you for watching today's video. May God bless you all. Hope to see you again.